This commenter felt very passionate that any EV with less than 250 to 300 miles range is bleeping useless.
You're stupid and you're a jock and you're stupid.
I get where they're coming from, but if you're using an EV as a primary vehicle for regional travel, family road trips, whatever, you're right. Anything under 250 miles does feel kind of useless. If that's your use case, then yeah, long range is what you need. But here's the thing. You're looking at this through a very narrow lens of your use case of a multi-car household, probably a lot more affluent than most of the people that I'm thinking about. I'm looking at this from the perspective of basic, affordable mobility. The alternative for a lot of people looking at a $5,000 to $10,000 conversion isn't a brand new long-range RV. The alternative is walking, riding a bike, or waiting at an either freezing or burning bus stop for 45 minutes. Think about this. People already bike and work to every day in freezing temperatures and in burning hot temperatures with zero HVAC. A basic 50-mile conversion electric vehicle still gives somebody a dry, safe, lockable enclosure that protects them from the elements and gets them to work way faster. For a massive percentage of commuters, the daily drive is under 30 miles round trip. They don't need a 300-mile machine. Moreover, they can't afford it. They just need a tool to get from point A to point B without going broke. So I'm trying to solve an 80% problem that's going to help a lot of Americans. I understand it's not going to be this huge, long, crazy, awesome driving machine. It's not going to have auto driving and all this other stuff. But guess what? 80% of America doesn't need that. They just need to get to work. They just need to pick up their kids. They just need to get to and from the grocery store so that they can take care of their families. And they deserve cars that don't just break down all the time. That's what I'm trying to solve.